Have you ever wondered why you feel hungry even if you've had enough to eat? Or why certain foods seem impossible to resist while others barely make a dent in your appetite? Today, we are diving deep into the science of hunger, exploring what makes us eat and how our bodies and minds work together to control the basic yet powerful drive. At its core, hunger is a survival mechanism. It's our body's way of telling us that we need fuel to keep going. But hunger isn't just about physical need. In fact, hunger is influenced by a combination of biological, psychological, and environmental factors. So let's break down the science behind it. The biological drivers first. Let's talk about the role of hormones. Two major hormones control hunger: ghrelin and leptin. Ghrelin, also known as the hunger hormone, is released by the stomach when it's empty. This hormone travels to the brain, signaling that it's time to eat. Once you've eaten, leptin, the hormone produced by fat cells, sends the message that you're full. Sounds simple, right? But here's the catch. When we don't get enough sleep, when we are stressed, or when we eat certain types of foods, these hormones can get thrown off balance. For example, sleep deprivation can increase ghrelin levels, making us feel hungrier even when we've eaten enough. Next, let's explore the role of the brain. Our brain plays a huge role in controlling hunger through areas like the hypothalamus, which helps regulate food intake. But hunger isn't just about keeping us alive. It's also about pleasure. This is where the reward system of the brain comes into play. When we eat, particularly foods that are high in sugar, fat, or salt, our brain releases dopamine, a feel-good chemical. This reinforces our desire to eat these foods, even if we are not physically hungry. That's why we sometimes crave unhealthy snacks or comfort foods, because eating them makes us feel good, even if we don't need the extra calories. But there's more. Hunger is also shaped by what's around us. Think about how often we eat simply because food is available. The smell of fresh cookies, seeing a commercial for pizza, or just walking past a bakery can all trigger cravings. These environmental cues can override our body's natural hunger signals, leading us to eat when we don't really need to. Psychologically, emotions play a significant role too. Stress, boredom, sadness, and even happiness can drive us to eat, not because we are physically hungry, but because food provides a form of comfort or distraction. This is known as emotional eating, and it's a common experience for many of us. Now, knowing that hunger is influenced by both our body and our environment, how can we take back control? Here are a few strategies. Eat mindfully. Pay attention to how you're feeling before, during, and after meals. Are you truly hungry, or are you eating out of habit of emotion? Foods higher in protein, fiber, and healthy fats can help regulate hunger hormones and keep you fuller for longer. As I mentioned earlier, lack of sleep and high stress can increase hunger. Getting enough rest and managing stress are key to keeping hunger in check. Don't eat just because food is available. Pay attention to your body's hunger and fullness cues and respond accordingly. Hunger is a complex process, controlled by hormones, the brain, and environmental factors. While it's essential for survival, modern life makes it easy for hunger to get out of balance. By understanding how hunger works and recognizing what triggers it, you can make more mindful choices and take better control of your health and well-being. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on thriving in life.